Assalamualaikum dan selamat petang. Nama saya Era Yarani.
Saya Melvi Asanacho. Nama saya Alda Syawdin dan Mungkin. Nama saya Cahaya Stilos. Saya Elka Rahman.
So today our group will present the effectiveness of play equipment in early childhood education settings. So we selected an outdoor climbing structure with integrated style because it is commonly used in preschool and kindergarten. This play equipment is designed for children 2 to 6 years old and allow them to climb, slide, balance, and explore in a safe environment. So through this present, we will explain how this equipment supports children's physical, cognitive, social, and emotional development, as well as we discuss its safety, accessibility, and recommendation for improvements. So next.
Now let us move on to features and function. Firstly, internal material and design. This play equipment is constructed using durable and non-toxic material such as steel, high density polyethylene, rubber. These materials are suitable for children because they are strong and designed to withstand regular use. Interactive component and function. Children can climb, slide, crawl, and manipulate movable parts. A grip handle supports hand and eyes coordination, where moderate element allow operation, imagination play, and physical challenge across development stage. Next.
Supporting physical development. This playground supports children's physical development by improving both gross motor and fine motor skill. Gross motor skill involves using the large muscle in the body. For example, when children climb the structure, slide down inside or crawl through tunnels, they develop their balance, coordination, strength, flexibility, and motor control. These activities also improve their endurance as they move around the playground. Fine motor skills are developed when children grip the climbing handles, hold onto the rocks, or carefully place their hands and feet on climbing holds. These actions strengthen their hands muscle and improve hand-eye coordination. For example, a child climbing the wall must decide where to place their hands and feet while keeping their balance. Through regular active play, children become stronger, more confident, and develop healthy physical growth. Supporting cognitive development. Besides physical development, this playground also supports children's cognitive development. As children explore the playground, they learn to think, solve problems, make decisions, and plan their next movement. They need to observe the playground, decide which route is easier, and think about how to climb and slide safely. For example, before climbing, a child may compare two paths and choose the one they feel easier or safer. If they face an obstacle, they will think of another way to reach the top. The process develops critical thinking, problem-solving skill, spatial awareness, decision-making, and cognitive flexibility. Children also improve their memory by remembering the safest route and applying what they learn the next time they play. Through this hands-on experience, children learn naturally while having fun.
Next, I will explain how the play equipment can support children and teach children social emotional development. First, it encourages cooperative and joy taking. Children can patiently wait their turn to play and work together with each other. Secondly, it encourages confidence for children when they play with the equipment. Children will know how to learn make a safe decision and confidently with their abilities. In addition, coordination can help the children to learn how to manage the frustration and help them to play, be more confident.
Okay, now we move to the age appropriate. First, this equipment is suitable for 2 to 6 years, and children aged 2 to 6 years should use the low climbing, section and sensory-based activities. Meanwhile, children aged 2 to 6 years can use more challenging structure because they have better balance, coordination and strength. This helps reduce the risk of injury while supporting their overall development. The second is the equipment is designed according to children's developmental stage. For example, the handrails are sized to fit children's hands. The step height match their leg length, and the overall structure is built to suit their body size. And the third is the equipment includes adjustable component that can modify according to the children's age and developmental level. For example, the climbing panels or step can be changed, and the level of challenge can be adjusted. This allows the same equipment to be used by children of different age group in one early childhood education center. Next, we move to the safety consideration. And first, the equipment should be made from high quality materials such as non-toxic, durable materials that are free from splinter or sharp edge. And all parts must also be secure, installed to prevent accidents while children are playing. The second is playground should include safety features such as soft impact absorbing surface, for example, rubber mats or wood chips to reduce the risk of injury if children fall. There should also be enough space between each piece of equipment to prevent children from falling while playing. And the last is equipment should be inspected and maintained regularly to ensure that there are no damage, loose and rusty parts. If any damage is found, it should be repaired immediately so that the equipment remains safe to use and complies with the ground safety standard. Next, we move to accessibility for diverse needs. Future enabling participation by children with physical, sensory, or cognitive disabilities include ramp access, sensory players, one platform adapted grip and that support various abilities and ensure all children can engage meaningfully with the equipment. Playground should be designed suitable for all children, including those with special needs. Adaptation and modifications such as additional rails, adjustable environment, visual promotional and tactile cues can be incorporated
participation and accommodate children with diverse developmental needs. Features such as sensor panels and wide platform help children play safely and comfortably. And the last one, universal design principles ensure play equipment is inclusive by default, designing for the widest range of users from the outset, reducing barriers and promoting equipment play experiences for every child regardless of ability. An inclusive design gives every child an equal opportunity to learn, play, and interact with others.
And the last one, I will explain our recommendation to improve children learning experience through play equipment. So first of all, we recommend adding accessory features such as texture, panels, and colorful design to make play more engaging and encourage exploration. And second one is safety should be improved by using soft ground surface and secure equipment while still providing suitable challenge for children. And the last one is the equipment should be accessible to all children and must be used in both actively guided and free play to support their overall development. So in conclusion, this improvement will make play more more engaging, safe and inclusive, helping children learn better through play.